Hi, I'm John. I'm over here helping a neighbor. She has a dresser that she can't get out of her doorway because she says it's too tall. So this dresser is 78 inches. It's 6 foot, 6 inches, and the doorway is it is taller. It's 80 inches. Plenty of room to get out. Okay, now the threshold here is a little higher. So I built it up with some scrap leftover flooring that she had. She had her floor redone. So I'll put that there to raise this up so my hand truck won't get caught. Also, the flooring here is she doesn't want it torn up, so I'll use this pad here to help pivot the dresser. Alright, well, I've got it picked up. It's a good idea to take the drawers out, because they can make it heavier. This shelving here came out, so we'll take that out so it doesn't fall and hit something. So this is what we have to go through here. I'll get my hand truck under it. Now this is a piece of furniture that she's not going to keep, but I'll move it in a manner to where if you want to keep it nice, you would use the pad to pivot it and keep from scratching it, and put a towel at the bottom of your hand truck. So we'll, watching the ceiling, we'll tip it back, make our turn. Now a lot of people think that you have to hold on to the hand truck right here, and they're always killing themselves. Oh, you know, their hand truck's way down there. You don't need to do that. You can hold the piece of furniture right here and make it a one-man job. So I have this light up here I have to watch out for. And I'll set it up. I'll set the dresser up. Okay, and then I'll take the hand truck out. And then I'll pivot the furniture on this pad so we don't scratch the floor or the furniture. Pretty tight quarters here, so I'll scoot it up with my foot, get my hand truck. Be careful of the ceiling, and then just go right through the front door. Uh-oh. Now I would have taken all those out if I would have known they were loose in there, so it wouldn't have hit anything. I would just take it through the front. And that is how you move a piece of furniture through a tight doorway. Thanks for watching.